Well, here's a step you may not have thought about. Look at that landscape design. The clients today met with Southern Magnolia Landscape Design to begin thinking about and getting HOA approval for what this yard's going to look like. I mean, you didn't think it was going to end up looking like this, did you? No, that's, of course, the builder, they typically have a small landscape package, you know, put a little bush there, a few there, maybe a tree out in front. But hey, why not spend some money and get a designer? And wow, so impressed with this designer. Everything from, hey, what are the trash barrels going to look like on the side? Where are you going to put a bench over there? What kind of treatment are you going to put in terms of extra landscaping? And so guys, if you're watching Building from the Ground Up from the beginning, don't forget this video, because once we see everything going in post-close, and again, it's not something you can do until after you take possession of the home. The builder just won't let you do that. But if you're thinking about, like this client, landscape lighting, irrigation, et cetera, then you're also going to start thinking about getting that design done, getting your pricing together, getting your budget together, again, after you close. So is this going to look like this? Oh no, not at all. So what you want to do is just get in mind how you want to live and what your budget is, and see if, in fact, from building a pergola to installing a little hardscape action here, et cetera, what you want yours to look like. And that's what Building from the Ground Up is all about, taking your dreams and making them real. So you'll see the finished product down the road. All right, guys, thanks. Subscribe and like if you would, and I'll see you in the next video.